Now let's see this comprehension skills part which is there. Choose the correct options of the following. The story that the roots of a banyan tree went all the way to the underworld, and when they rose again they carried with them ghosts and goblins, was told to the narrator by her nanny, the ayah. Answer is number 1A. In May and June, the narrator's family prayed to the banyan tree and offered it sweets, mangoes, watermelons, and lychees, cucumbers, watermelons, aubergines, and mangoes, cucumbers, jackfruit, apples, and mangoes, lychees, ladyfinger, aubergines, and pineapple. The answer is going to be B. Cucumbers, watermelons, aubergines, and mangoes. During summer scorching heat, winds blasted in from the kitchen oven, the neighboring desert, fumes from motor cars, the banyan tree. The neighboring deserts. The number 3 is answer B. The narrator's grandmother advised her to go get off her bicycle on her way back to school and stay away from the banyan tree. Rest under the tree's shade, pray to the tree, not to pay attention to the tree. Again, this answer is going to be B. 4B. Rest under the tree's shade. Answer the following questions. Let's see how can we do it. Its trunk went up almost 100 feet. Whose trunk went up? The banyan tree's trunk went up. Where was it located? Where was this tree located? This tree was located at the narrator's, just outside the narrator's house in India. What happened to its branches? Its branches, instead of rising and spreading outstretched arms, made nose dives towards the earth, where they burrowed in it and took root and reappeared as fresh trunks. The answer is here. Oh dear me, no. I paid no attention to my grandmother. Question. What did the author's grandmother tell her? Here it says, I paid no attention to my grandmother. What did her grandmother tell her? Her grandmother had told her to rest under that when on her way back from school, she should remember to get off her bicycle and rest under the shade of the banyan tree. Why did she not listen to her grandmother? She did not listen to her grandmother because she was afraid of ghosts, and she thought she might bump into a ghost while coming under the banyan tree. What would the author do when she was near the banyan tree? When the author was near the banyan tree, she would hold her breath and bicycled for her life back home so that no ghost could catch her. Number 3. Why did the banyan tree seem to be a forest all by itself? Because the banyan tree seemed to be a forest all by itself because it was more than a tree all by itself. Its trunk went up and up almost 100 feet. Some of the branches, instead of rising and spreading like outstretched arms, made nose wide towards the earth, where they burrowed in, took and root, and reappeared as fresh trunks. Twice we have to give this answer. Okay? Number 4. What did the narrator think was actually near the banyan tree? What did she think that there was near the banyan tree? Now, what was near the banyan tree is that She always thought that there would be ghosts near the banyan tree. She always thought that there would be ghosts near the banyan tree. And it was like a forest itself. That's what she thought. Okay, so I've given you the answers. Now you think, listen to the video and write it again properly. Okay, and I will put up I'll print out and put it up for you on your homework section. You can check it. Make sentences out of the words. You will do that, and you will do a suffixes and use suffix full to complete these sentences. The words in the brackets are clues. Her bruise, page 52. Her bruise was very painful. Painful. His teacher said he had been helpful. My brother is hopeful. I find my dictionary very useful. My new babysitter is beautiful. But the Y will not be there. It will be Beautiful. Be careful. I couldn't sleep and was wakeful all night. Some people become more forgetful. The young animals were playful. It is shameful the way he treats his animals. Use the following full words in your sentences of your name. Wonderful, hurtful, spiteful. You try to make the sentences, okay? Now, that is done for this chapter. In the next class, we'll come with the caves and underground rivers. We'll come to know about that. What are those caves and underground rivers? We'll see what we can do with that. Okay? So take care of yourselves. Be good and study this chapter. Read. And as I told you the answers, if you can make your own answers, well and good. Or you listen to my video. I've given the answers and write them down. Okay? Bye bye. Take care.